How to restore previous downloads from Zedge. First of all, open the Zedge app and tap on the profile icon labeled My Zedge at the bottom right corner. Make sure you are logged into the same Zedge account you used to download content previously. Next, tap on the Downloads or My Downloads section in your profile. Here you will see a list of wallpapers, ringtones, and other content you have downloaded before. To restore any item, simply tap on it to preview, then you can re-download or set it again from this page. If you don't see your previous downloads, check that you are logged into the correct account and that your app is updated to the latest version. Using your Zedge account to save downloads make it easy to access your favorite content anytime, even after reinstalling the app or switching devices. Now you know how to restore previous downloads from Zedge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.